Alright everyone, as y'all can see, got my SIM removal tool right there. I am ready to swap my SIM back into my Google Pixel, but before we do that, I just wrapped up the full review on the CMF Phone 1, and I wanted to do a full review of the companion case and tempered glass screen protector that I got to go along with the CMF Phone 1. Okay, so after this video, I'll go ahead and swap my SIM back out to my other device, and I'll decide what I'm going to be doing with the CMF Phone 1. But as promised, I want to give y'all a full review of the Fhyeugfy case and tempered glass screen protector for the CMF Phone 1. Gosh, what is that name? Okay, and the device itself did come with a OE screen protector, so I did not use the included screen protector that came with the case. I'm going to leave that for whatever I decide to do with the device, so whether I give this away to a friend or I sell it to put the money back into the channel, whoever gets the device is going to have a nice case and a tempered glass screen protector to go along with the device. And I probably won't remove the first party screen protector as well. So you'll have a pre-installed screen protector as well as a nice third party tempered glass screen protector, just so everyone knows. Okay, but let's talk about the overall aspects of this case that I picked up for the CMF Phone 1. So hopefully by the end of this video, you guys and gals know if this is a nice third-party case and tempered glass screen protector to pick up for your CMF Phone 1 if you just picked up a device. Okay, so starting off here, let's talk about the overall build quality and design of the case. And y'all can see just how easy it is to take the case off and put the case on. So in terms of the build materials, okay, this case is built out of clear TPU plastic. You can see it right here. So a nice clear TPU plastic, okay? Just so you know in terms of build materials. Now, in terms of the overall design, this is very nicely and precision cut to go perfectly with the CMF Phone 1, okay? So overall, in terms of the design, I do feel as though this is a top-notch design, and in terms of the build, I do feel as though this is a really good overall build, all right? Now, some things that I don't like about the build is this material is very, very fingerprinty, okay? So y'all can see I did wipe down the device before I pushed record, and just picking up the device those couple of seconds, mad fingerprints, okay? So that's one thing that I don't like. But overall, I'd have to say the overall build quality and design of this case for the CMF Phone 1 is really good. Okay? Now, talking about the overall aspects in regards to the fit and feel of the case on the device. Now, I do have to say putting this case on is a little bit of a struggle. And I found the easiest way that for me to do it is to put the accessory screw side down first, and then you work around the rest. So you do the camera lenses next, then you do the buttons, boom. And that's how you put it on. And y'all can see it goes on fairly easily, but I feel like you have to start here from the bottom. Otherwise, it may be a little bit of a struggle. But y'all can see in terms of the overall fit, it fits the device perfectly, okay? And in terms of the overall feel in hand, it does have a very, very nice feel in hand. Now it is very slippery, so you're not getting too much grip on this. You can see just shaking very loosely. The device is sliding out of my hands, so you do get a nice fit, but in terms of grip, you don't get a lot of grip on this. But in terms of the fit, it is precision cut. So you can see we got all the necessary cutouts for our microphones, our charger, and our speakers on the bottom. We got all the necessary cutouts for our finger tighten screw on the back. Okay, we also have all the necessary cutouts for our cameras on the back as well, and our flash. And we have fully protected buttons for our power button and our volume rockers. Okay, and they do still maintain their clickiness and their tactileness. Okay? So it's still super clicky and tactile. You can't really hear it, but it's very, very clicky and responsive. Okay? So in terms of the fit, I have to say the fit is top notch. But in terms of the overall feel, I have to say the feel is just really good. I do wish it offered a little bit more grip. And I wish, as I said earlier, it wasn't so fingerprinty. So overall, the fit and feel of this case on my device is just really good. Okay? Now moving on, let's talk about the overall protection that this case offers for my device. Now, as I already alluded to earlier, it is a perfect fit. And you can see we have maximum protection for our buttons, whether that be the power button or the volume rockers. We do have maximum protection for our cameras as well, with a nice raised lip, as you can see right there, okay, as well as our flash. And we also have nice protection for our display, okay. And you can see, as I said, the OE screen protector is installed, so this case is screen protector friendly, and it does come with a nice tempered glass screen protector as well, and everything works exactly the way it's supposed to. So in terms of sensitivity, everything is working as if I don't have a case on. Okay? So in terms of the protection, I do feel as though this case offers maximum protection, so even if I drop the device, we're fine, whether that be on the front or on the back, we're fine, okay? Because we have those nice raised lips. Ow, that kind of hurt my ears to do that. I really don't like doing that. But as y'all can see, we do have maximum protection with this case. And it is a very screen protector friendly case, okay? So the overall protection that this case provides is top notch, okay? So, moving on now, I just want to briefly summarize the positives and the negatives of this case. Then we're going to go ahead and talk about the overall price and availability of this case. And I'm going to give my overall final thoughts and make a recommendation as to whether or not I can recommend that you guys and gals pick this case up if you're in the market for a case with tempered glass screen protector for your device. So if you watch no other part of this video, as long as you watch these next two categories, you should get a really good overall general idea as to how I feel about this case and tempered glass screen protector right here. And now, as I always say with these review videos, I am not perfect and I never claim to be. So if you pick up this case and screen protector combo and you experience a positive and or a negative that I did not mention in this video, please leave that feedback down below in the comments. Only through providing our feedback can we get overall improvements on the devices and products that we spend our hard-earned money on. I will, however, do my best to provide a full list of my positives and my negatives that I experienced with this case and tempered glass screen protector combo that I will post up in the video in post. So please feel free to pause the video wherever you see said list that you're interested in if you want to read up and know more. Okay? Disclosure done. Let's dive into this. So talking about the positives of this case first, and this is pretty much going to be a rundown of everything that I've talked about throughout this video. The overall build quality and design is really good. The overall fit and feel is really good. The overall protection is top notch, and this case is available at a really great price. So those are all the positives. Jumping over to the negatives, I do wish this case provided more grip, okay? Because even with this case on, you have maximum protection, but it still is a very slippery device. And I also wish that this case was a little bit more fingerprint resistant. So I kind of wish they had an oleophobic coating that helps cut down on the fingerprints, because even if you wipe this down and keep it clean, it does pick up a bunch of fingerprints. Okay, so those are the two negatives that I experienced in my time with this case and screen protector combo. And the same thing can be said for the screen protector, but that is tempered glass. And this is not the screen protector that came with this case, but any tempered glass screen protector does pick up a lot of fingerprints unless you get a really good high quality one. Okay, but those are the negatives that I've experienced with this case. And now let's move on and jump into the final part of this video. So let's talk pricing. Let's talk overall availability. Let me get into sharing my final thoughts and make a recommendation. Now, in terms of pricing, as y'all would have seen from the unboxing and first impressions of this device, I picked this up with my device and it ran me a grand total of $316 and change for everything y'all see in the video. But just talking about the screen protector and case combo here from Fhyeugfy, I don't know how to pronounce that. This particular combo here ran me by itself $6.99. So $7 got me a nice see-through case and a nice tempered glass screen protector. Okay? And for that price, can I recommend that y'all pick up this case and tempered glass screen protector combo? I'd have to say yes, yes indeed. Okay? Is it the best? No. Can it or does it need some improvements? Yes. But for what it is, at the price that it offers it, I do feel as though it is really good. And I can recommend that you guys and gals go out there and pick this one up. If you want to get maximum protection for your device, but you don't want to break the bank looking for protection for your device, I feel as though you can't go wrong with this. Alright? So that, guys and gals, does it for this video here today. Second video on the day. I hope you guys and gals enjoyed this video. I hope you guys and gals found it helpful. If you did, please help your boy out by giving the video a thumbs up. That really does help me out. You don't know how much. Also, feel free to click off the subscribe button down below and click off the notification bell icon right next to it if you guys and gals would like to see more videos and content coverage like this. If this video piqued your interest and you'd like to know where you can pick up this device and this case and screen protector combo, I'll leave all the affiliate buy links as to where you guys and gals can pick up this device and this accessory combo down below in the video description. And as the name implies, if you make your purchase using that affiliate link, I do get a small commission that I do put back into the channel, and that's at no additional cost to you guys and gals. So I consider those affiliate links a win-win for everyone, in my opinion. Also, if you guys and gals would like to see any more coverage on the CMF Phone 1 or any of the CMF products by Nothing, I'll link up all of my extended coverage for the CMF Phone 1 or all of the CMF products by Nothing down below in the video description as well. So down below in the video description should be like a one-stop shop for you guys and gals, and you should be good to go. Today's video was recorded using the primary rear-facing camera on the Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus in 1080p at 30 FPS with no external microphone hooked up. But I am using my professional studio lights here today, so please let me know how you guys and gals feel about the overall lighting, the overall video quality, and the overall audio quality down below in the comments. As always, all of your feedback is greatly appreciated. Just remember to keep it respectful, please. I hope everyone's having a great day. I hope you guys and gals are staying safe out there, and I will catch everyone in the next video. Have a good one, everybody. We're out of here. Peace. Alright, and now I can officially switch my SIM back to my Google Pixel and rock back out with a full stock Android device. Have a good one, everyone. I'll catch you guys and gals in the next video. Peace.